ABB Robotics Service wants to be the reasons why customers continue to buy ABB. To achieve this objective, ABB Service provides a complete portfolio of solutions to install, optimize, support, and maintain your robot-based automation equipment. With almost 1,500 service professionals in over 40 countries around the world, it is clear that ABB is always right there at your service 24/7. The service agreements with remote service technology provide maximum value for customers. The service agreement helps customers with preventive maintenance tasks and productivity optimizations, and this improves their results. The key customer benefits of a service agreement are high uptime, immediate response, and reduced lifecycle costs of the robot. If a robot has an unplanned stoppage, ABB service engineers act immediately to minimize the downtime and production losses. To meet different customer demands, 3 service agreement packages can be combined: maintenance package, the response package, and the warranty package. As part of our response package, we've introduced remote service, a cutting-edge technology that ABB has researched for many years in order to better support customers. This technology makes ABB a preferred maintenance provider, since there are no competitors with solutions similar to the wireless remote service technology. The diagnostic data is transferred via secure wireless networks to the ABB service engineers, who can immediately analyze and support the customer with accurate diagnostic to fix any problems that occur, or to predict and prevent problems that could occur in the near future.
One of the faults we were having with our robots was that they were tripping out on alarms. It was causing us quite a bit of downtime, because due to the way that our process is set up, it was actually stopping the rest of the production lines downstream of the robots. ABB, the service contract we have, actually phoned me up and advised me that there was a fault with the alarm settings on the robots, and told me that they could remedy the fault. I advised them to come on site, which they did, and they remedied the fault within 30 to 40 minutes. Obviously now this has given us a lot more uptime than what we previously had, because the faults are not reoccurring anymore. I would have no hesitation in recommending ABB and their service contracts to other people, and certainly if and when we do put other robots in, they more than likely will be ABBs, and more than likely will have ABB full service contracts on them.
24/7 support is a guarantee that ABB service engineers can support customer at any time on local or global base. ABB My Robot provides all robot information in one place, and the customer will enjoy the benefits of monitoring the status of their robots on the internet. They will find customer information like the list of robots, issue progress, and valuable field service or robot condition reports, as well as service agreement information. ABB Robotics Service, with the powerful technology and global presence of service engineers, contribute with instant support from the top experts anywhere in the world, and give end customers the benefits of extended production uptime, low maintenance cost, and immediate action for unplanned stoppages. Maintenance package will secure your production. Response package for immediate response with remote service. Warranty package will protect your investment at fixed cost.